Today we're going to look more into how to estimate our sums or differences when trying to solve a problem. So when we estimate, we do it because we are trying to find out whether or not our answer is reasonable, which means whether or not our answer makes sense, or we are doing it to just get an idea about what our answer will be, about where will our answer be. So let's see how this works with this problem. Is 2,793 a reasonable difference for 6,904 minus 4,111? Explain. So right away I notice that it's asking me if this is a reasonable difference. And when I hear the term reasonable, it makes me think that does the answer make sense? For instance, if I were to subtract 3 from 10, and I said that the answer is about 2, would that be reasonable? No, absolutely not. Because 3 is kind of close to 5, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So that is not reasonable. So that's why we estimate. So they're asking if 2,793 is a reasonable solution for 6,904 minus 4,111. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to round both of these numbers. So when I round 6,904, I am going to round it to the closest thousand. And the answer that I get is, let me just get my text box here, is 7,000. And we learned all about that in topic 1, how to round. Then I am going to also round 4,111. And when I round 4,111, I want to also round it to the nearest thousand, since I rounded 6,904 to the nearest thousand. And so when I round that, I get 4,000. Now, 7,000 minus 4,000 is much easier to do using mental math than the initial equation. So 7,000 minus 4,000, if I have 7,000s and I subtract 4,000s, I get an answer of 3,000s. So that is my estimate. Now, I'm going to look at the answer that the problem is giving me, and I want to see if it is reasonable, meaning I'm going to compare it. 2,793 is not that far away from 3,000, so I am going to say that the answer is reasonable. And in my explanation, I would say because I rounded 6,904 and 4,111 to the nearest thousands place, and I subtracted it, and my difference was very close to the difference that was given, and therefore my answer is reasonable.